1945 is 1945 is In God We Trust, Liberty. 1945 is In God We Trust, Liberty. 1945 is. So this is the appearance of an old Whitney. 1945 is In God We Trust, Liberty. 1945 is. How old is this kind of wheat penny in the year 1945 is? So very old. The queen or the wheat penny is minted in 1945 is In God Trust. So the rear is one cent. The rear is 1 cent. United States of America. 1 cent. United States of America. 1945 is 1 cent. United States of America. Very expensive. Very expensive, that worth millions of pesos, that you can have this kind of penny minted in 1945 is. So if you can see this, so you can imagine that how rare and old and expensive is this kind of wheat penny minted in 1945 is. In God We Trust. In God We Trust, Liberty. 1945 is 1 cent. 1 cent. 1 cent. United States of America. United States of America. This is 1 cent. 1 cent. United States of America. A wheat penny. Wheat penny that is minted in 1945 is minted in 1945 is In God We Trust. In God We Trust, Liberty. Liberty. 1945. So this is how it is. Look, the original 1945 is Liberty. Very expensive. Try to imagine the year 1945, Liberty. In God We Trust. How expensive is this kind of coin? So if you can see this, because this is for sale, comment your price, because this is for sale.